We feed all these families, but I can't feed mine.
Best friend died. Sorry, not my problem. That's yours. We got cereal to make.
I'm not nervous about the strike. I'm excited.
They can't continue to take our money and take our money and take our money. We need to let them know that they can't continue to take our money and take our money and take our money.
We work 7 days a week. Very often, we don't even know that we have to work 16 hours until 10 minutes before it's time to go home. If you have dogs, if you have kids you have to pick up from school, if you have other obligations, I hope you have somebody to call because you have to stay.
They have a right to strike, and they have a right to demand higher wages. And the companies they're striking on are doing very well.